Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch, basically restart. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, press the back button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping up or down on the screen. Look for the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings, of course. Now scroll down through the menu, look for the about your watch, tap on this option. Here scroll down and look for the option called restart with this icon. Once you find it, tap on the icon. Come on, the screen on it is a bit wonky, sometimes it doesn't react on the touch. Come on, okay. And once you tap on restart, you will see this page. Confirm the restart by pressing the middle button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, you're back in the system, and that's how you restart or soft